The sound of time, understanding, bells are tolling. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often rings in literature and speeches. Bells are tolling. Whether you've heard it in a historical context or stumbled upon it in a novel, this phrase carries deep meaning and a rich history. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your English conversations. Remember, understanding such phrases not only enhances your vocabulary but also enriches your comprehension of the English language. Firstly, let's break down the phrase, bells are tolling. Literally, it refers to the action of a bell being rung slowly and repeatedly. Unlike the cheerful ringing of bells that you might hear during a celebration, tolling has a solemn, resonant sound. It's the kind of bell you hear at churches or during commemorations. The sound is deep, echoing, and it carries a certain weight, setting a reflective or somber mood. Moving beyond the literal, bells are tolling, is rich in symbolism. Historically, bells have been tolled during funerals or to mark significant events, often related to loss or remembrance. When you hear this phrase in literature or a speech, it's usually invoking a sense of solemnity or calling attention to a significant, often somber event. It can symbolize the passage of time, the end of an era, or the call to pay respect and remember. In literature and speeches, bells are tolling can be used metaphorically. Writers and speakers use it to evoke emotions or to hint at change or finality. For instance, in Ernest Hemingway's novel, For Whom the Bell Tolls, the title itself suggests the tolling of bells to signify the fate of the characters and the looming hardships of war. Understanding such references can give you deeper insights into the context and the emotional undertones of conversations and texts. When using bells or tolling in your conversations, it's important to match the mood and tone of the discussion. It's a phrase that carries weight and should be used in contexts that are reflective, serious, or marking an important moment. For example, you might say, as the year comes to an end, the bells are tolling, reminding us to reflect on our past actions and future resolutions. In conclusion, bells are tolling is a phrase that resonates with deep meaning, from its literal sound to its symbolic representation of solemnity, change, and remembrance. Understanding and using such phrases can add depth to your conversations and writing, connecting you more profoundly with the English language. I hope this exploration has been enlightening and that you can now appreciate the depth that such a phrase adds to our language. Until next time, keep listening for the bells and what they might signify in your life.